starting the pattern of waffle stitch, we will discuss each and every point clearly, from front and back, and row-wise. In this pattern of waffle stitch, we have to make ridges by making double crochet. So I'll show you the ridges first. This prominent front post double crochets are the ridges. So these ridges forms the squares, and between these ridges are the depressions, which are also made with front post double crochet, but from the back side. So, let's start to learn the waffle stitch pattern. My crochet hook size for this pattern would be 4.0, as I found this hook size easier than other, and it also complies with my yarn. So start by making the foundation chain. I chain 32 for this pattern. You can chain less or more than 32, depending the length you want for your pattern. Here's my foundation chain of 32. So let's start our first row. From the hook into first, second, third, and fourth stitch. Yarn over and make a double crochet into the fourth stitch from the hook. Now 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and again pull through 2. So these are the 2 double crochets we have made. Now moving towards the third double crochet, and so on. Now we have completed our third double crochet. Continue making double crochet all way long into each of the chains until you have 30 double crochet altogether. Here's I have completed 30 double crochet. It looks so nice from front and the back side. As our row 1 has been completed, so we are moving towards row 2. Row 2 is the row in which we make front post double crochet all way long, so let's start. For row 2, we can start from chaining 2, like this, but there's another way in which you can make double crochet as your first stitch without making chain 2 at the start. So here I will show you the trick from which you can start your row neatly and perfectly. So turn your work to the opposite side. Into the very first stitch, insert the hook, grab the yarn, and pull it upwards. Now 2 loops remaining on the hook. Again, grab the yarn and pull through both loops. To make single crochet, leave the first and insert the hook into the second. Like this, and then yarn over, pull it upwards. Now having 2 loops on the hook. Pull through both loops. So we made the chainless double crochet right at the start of the row 2, which looks exactly the same as the double crochet underneath it. Now we're going to make the Frontpost double crochet into the next or second double crochet of the first row. Yarn over and insert the hook into the first space, and then rise it from the second space. Now grab the yarn and pull it back all way long into the second and then first space. Like this. Now having 3 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn. Pull through 2. Again pull through 2. Our first front post double crochet is completed. It looks somewhat like the ridges, bold and prominent. We will make 2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Meanwhile, if you are new and didn't subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe it. And also comment below, so I can send my love to you. So our 2 double crochet are completed. Now into the next stitch. We will again make front post double crochet. From the last double crochet to the next stitch. Into this double crochet we will make our second front post double crochet. Now yarn over. Insert the hook into the next space from the hook, and rise it from the other next space. Grab the yarn and pull it from the back, upwards. Then pull through 2. And again pull through 2. Again, we will complete to simple double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So we have completed 2 front post double crochet and 5 simple double crochet altogether up till now. And looks clean and perfect. Now we quickly complete the row by making front post double crochet and 2 simple double crochet. This how the pattern works from start till end. Now continue this pattern till the end of the second row, until you have 10 front post double crochet and 20 simple double crochet. Now I have completed my second row. And this how the pattern works. And it looks perfect from both front and back side. Now if we carefully look to the pattern, what we have done up till now. So these are the ridges we have formed by making front post double crochet. So we continue to build these ridges in the same horizontal and vertical direction. And the point to notice in the second row is that we should have front post double crochet stitch as the second last from the end. And very second stitch from the start. So now we are moving towards our third row. But before starting the next row, there are some points to get notice. As we are working on the third row from the back side of our work. So this how the second row looks from backside. And we are going to work on these 2 prominent double crochet all way long. I'm showing you these because in these prominent double crochet, we are going to make front post double crochet. So now we have an idea how to work on the third row. So starting the row third, we make chainless double crochet that look like a normal double crochet. So here we will be making it in the very first stitch, our chainless double crochet. Now into the next stitch, which is not prominent, we make simple double crochet. Now we have made 2 simple double crochet up till now. Now into these 2 prominent double crochet, we will be making 2 front post double crochet. So yarn over. Make first front post double crochet. Grab the yarn. Pull the yarn from the back. Pull through 2. Again pull through 2. First front post double crochet of the third row is completed. Now the second front post double crochet we will make like this. So this is how the pattern works. 1 simple double crochet. Then 2 front post double crochet into the prominent ones. So I'm continuing the pattern little bit so you can have a clear picture of the third row pattern. It is a way simple pattern than any others of the crochet pattern. You just have to flow with it and enjoy it doing. Meanwhile, if you are enjoying video, then subscribe to my channel and share it with love. And also show love by leaving the comment from where you are watching my video so I can send my love to you. So too quickly I have shown you the further pattern of the third row. This how the pattern looks like. Continue the pattern. Like 1 simple crochet, 2 front post double crochet, then again simple and so on. Complete the stitch pattern till the end of the third row. So here I have completed my third row. We turn to the opposite side to start the fourth row. In the fourth row, We will continue to make the ridges upwards, in horizontal and vertical direction, so it will form the squares. Now starting the 4th row, by making the chainless double crochet. So it will look exactly the same as the double crochet beneath it. Now after the chainless double crochet, we have to make front post double crochet in order to continue the ridges, so it will form squares and give the look of the waffle itself. So, yarn over into the 2nd prominent stitch. Yes, into this one. Make the front post double crochet. And this is how the ridges continues to build up. Now again we will make 2 simple double crochet into the next 2 stitches to form the depressions between the ridges. Then into the next prominent stitch. Yes, in this one only. Exactly. After 2 simple double crochet again, we will make front post double crochet. Again repeating the pattern. 2 simple crochet into next 2 stitches. And then front post double crochet to complete the pattern. So for the 4th row we will continue the same pattern as we did up till now, forming ridges and depressions between them. So continue the whole pattern till the end of the 4th row. Now I have completed my 4th row. So this how it will look. One ridge is exactly beneath the other ridge, forming equal square size. So here I have completed a total of 4 rows. And these squares, which are formed by ridges, give look of waffles finally. And we also take a look from behind. To start the 5th row, you have to make 2 front post double crochet into each prominent pair of double crochet. Then simple crochet into the next stitch. And then again 2 front post double crochet into the prominent ones, all way across the 5th row till the end. So the point we should notice is that the 2nd and 4th rows are the same and done from the front side always. And same stitch will be done. And 3rd and 5th rows would be the same in stitch pattern, and always done from behind. So here I have completed total 8 rows by following the same pattern. And this how the waffle stitch pattern look likes. These are the ridges built in the same direction to form the square shapes. And these spaces between the ridges forms the depressions. So it is forming the waffle look. That is why it is called the waffle stitch pattern. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share it, and also, don't forget to comment below so I can send my love to you. Thank you for watching.